I just want to say, you asked for an interpreter, but your English is very, very good.
Thank you.
Okay?
I afraid don't understand legal words.
That's okay. We understand you. That's all that matters.
Yeah, thank
979 2nd Avenue versus Chao. Oh, this is going to be...
First at all, I need a translation. My English doesn't very good. I'm 75 years old, senior, and can you have the translation?
We don't have a translator in this building. If you needed a translator, you had to ask for that, and your attorney would have known that one would have had to be requested ahead of time. So I'm afraid we have no translator. But we can accept your papers that your lawyer put in for you and consider those on your behalf.
Okay, I speak slowly. I hope you can understand.
Okay, speak right into the mic so we can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, just talk loudly and as close to the mic as possible. Okay.
Your Honor, good afternoon. First at all, this is a very sad story because I not person of the tenant. And also, I go to 3 women government department, ask, they give me one form. He say, this U.S. District Court held to Southern District already held, its code is 22-1005, already voided the purpose because it's government shutdown, not I shutdown. So this guy, because before it's store, big gas explosion, cannot open Chinese restaurant. But that time he already breached 9B, the contract. He take over 2 million, I bring from Hong Kong, the money. He take from me. He said, I will sell the building to the Hong Kong group. Hong Kong group is very rich investor. So I trust him, have bank record, over 2 million, he took already. Then basically, in the finally, he still don't to put it in the market. I say, you in the contract have rights of first reversal, why you breach contract all the time? Breach 9B, take my money, over 2 million US dollar. Then he don't give me back. He say, so what? You go back to China. Looks like I'm very stupid Chinese lady, he think. But I'm business. I'm not stupid. I'm honor. You know, most Chinese very honored by heart. Then he don't want to say to me, okay, never mind. Then later on, COVID coming, government shut down, everybody stay home. And it's not I shut down. So he say, so after that, he sold the company. Lucky, my name not in the contract because of some lawyer advice. He said, you come to America, be very careful. Never put your name in the contract. For the company, if a company, how much is how much? Wawin Group, W-A-H-W-I-N, Wawin Group is China, the rich people, they invest. Because I'm in America, I have an American passport, so on behalf of them. He think I have money, I don't. I just help bring the investor come to America. Then he sold the Wawin Group. Then the lawyer say, if that he sold Wawin Group, nothing to do with you. You are an individual. Then afterwards, he know Wawin Group, not many things. So he tried to...
Okay, Ms. Chao, you've run out of time. I'm going to give you more time after I let the other side speak, okay?
Very simple. Sorry.
You have a seat, and I will let you talk again in a few minutes, okay? Have a seat, and he will talk, and then I will let you talk again, okay? All right.
I believe this belongs to you. I'm just going to move this out of my way. Good afternoon, Your Honors. May it please the Court, Daniel Levinas on behalf of the respondent.
I need you to use that mic too.
Second Avenue LLC. Your Honors, in essence, this appeal marks the appellant's fourth time attempting to re-argue identical allegations of fraud, forgery, and questioning the validity of the authenticity of a guarantee, a personal guarantee of lease that she signed. And it runs the gamut from two prior underlying actions, and then also an appeal before this court. That's 4 separate times, 6 times if you include underlying motions to renew and re-argue in the underlying cases. The first time was in December of 2022.
We get the point.
Yes. So I will say that listening to the appellant right now raise issues in connection to the guarantee law. There was a footnote in my moving brief that stated, or my opposition brief rather, that stated that there was no guarantee law covered protection period rents that were sought on this guarantee that ran from March 2020 through June 30th of 2021. Everything in the underlying action that we sought, the rents that we sought from the guarantor, began to run July 1st, 2021 and on.
After that, right.
After that period, that's exactly right. I would mention also that the guarantee law arguments were never put before on the record to Justice Frank in the underlying action. I think the appellant is conflating issues that she raised in several other actions that have been pending in the Supreme Court. So with that, I'll reserve the rest of my time for reply.
You have no more rebuttal, but thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
If there's no questions, then I'll...
Thank you. You may speak, yes.
Thank you so much. He always talking about guarantee law, have 2 points. 1 point, I did ask...
I just want to say, you asked for an interpreter, but your English is very, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
I speak slowly. I afraid don't understand legal words.
That's okay. We understand you. That's all that matters.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor. He talking about guarantee law, have one decision from Judge Frank, already told him, make a decision. Here, there is no guarantee law because government already voided the guarantee law in the 221005. It's Judge Frank, give him already. Then he told my lawyer, he said, we settle. He know, no guarantee law, I nothing to do with them because it's company Huawei, it's not me. I never guarantee, number one. Number two, novation contract law is to say, if your first contract is March 1st, 2011, signed, I very clearly, I say, China Group, they don't want any guarantee. So this lease, no guarantee. If you have a guarantee, I don't sign. So that is clear. I think you have record. March 1st, 2011. Sign is no any guarantee. Then afterwards, the gas explosion in September 22, 2011. That time cannot do any business, cannot have gas. Until today, you can go to check. Government, New York City, don't let he put the gas. It's explosion, maybe neighbor, all the building were coming down. So no gas at all. So after that happened, he wanted me go to there. He said, sign. I reduce the rent, become half. So, okay, I sign.
I thank you. We are out of time, but I have your papers from your lawyer, and we will look at everything carefully.
Thank you.
Okay?
I just never gave guarantee because in the contract, don't have guarantee.
Thank you.
Government also avoided the guarantee.
Thank you so much. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.